Within the admin, settings, email and order templates, correspondence settings, we can configure the correspondence logo and marketing message that we use on the quote, order, and invoices. So let's hop over to Business Hub. We will select an order, view it as a customer, and what you'll see here is we have the fulfillment center or the store's contact details. But what we could be showing in addition is our logo in the very top left corner. On the quote, order, and invoice sheet, we also display what is referred to as the marketing message. If we come back to the admin, settings, email and order templates, correspondence settings, we can upload our logo in either a JPEG, PNG, or SVG format. So we'll upload a PNG. We can choose if we want to allow our affiliate sites to upload their own logo to be displayed when they have a quote or an order from a customer, or if they have to be using our logo and account details. Those settings are further configured within the website store options settings, and then within an individual affiliate site. Down here is where I can control the marketing message. So this is what is shown again on the quote, order, and invoice, and it's also what is typically included on most of our email notifications. So if we change "we love our customers" to "we take pride in every order," you're going to want to update it in both sections as far as the plain message and the HTML message, and click Save. Now if I come back over to Business Hub, I will be able to just create a new order real quick. So we'll select a customer, we'll add an item, we'll save the order, view it as the customer, and now you see our logo is in the top left corner. If we want to have the correspondence, again, showing down here, we needed to update that text back into the correspondence settings. Now, keep in mind that this message does not have to be that default marketing message. What I mean by that is, if we come back to the admin, settings, email and order templates, correspondence settings, this is the default message. But within the order templates, this order sheet is what we were just viewing. If I did not want it to use the default marketing message, I could uncheck it and use a different version of the message to be displayed on the quote, order, and invoice in this example. I can also come into our individual email templates. So when we ship an email, for example, the customer gets an email, and included in that email is our marketing message. So here's our default message, but if we wanted it to be different for this specific email notification, we can. Hopefully you find this video helpful on how to attach your logo to quotes, orders, and invoices and control the marketing email across those and the email notifications helpful.